Hi, welcome back to OD YouTube channel. Today we are here for another unboxing and it is another Kaweco Sport unboxing. And so I have here my Victorinox Pioneer limited edition or special edition for 2017, and let's use it in this very nice color and let's use it to open this package that I received from Australia. I already received this a few days ago and it was just here waiting for me to have time to open this. Okay, I'll need a knife again. Okay, so here it is, and you can see it is a Kaweco and it has a package that is a little different from the usual, and it's kind of sealed in plastic. Again, another layer of wrapping. Let me take this tape off. Let's take this out to be able to show you better. So, which Kaweco would I want to have from Australia? And you can see there, Milligram. So, it is an exclusive from Milligram, which is a store in Australia. And yes, it finally arrived, finally have a Milligram Kaweco Sage. So the color of this one was the Sage, the Kaweco Sport Sage from Milligram, or Sage, sorry. The Sage from Milligram. Let me take the clip off. I don't like to have usually I don't like to have the sports with the clip. Okay, clip is off. Let me put this way. So here I have it, Milligram. So in one side it says Kaweco Sport, in the other one it says Milligram. It is the Sage color. And this is a pen that I wanted to buy by the time it was released, but I thought, no, I'm not going to collect the exclusive editions, and I didn't care for it. And then after some time I really regretted it. It is in new condition. I found some seller in Australia that wanted to sell some Kaweco Sport pens. This one I didn't have. It had some more interesting pens. I helped him with the pricing of the pens and he sold the other ones. So just for a short comparison, here we have the Sage, which is a kind of rare color because this one is hard to find. And I have this Galen leather two Kaweco Sport pens zippered pouch, and inside we have two comparable pens. One is the, let me see, this is the Kaweco collection. This is a new release, relatively new Kaweco collection Smooth Sage, which is also actually a Skyline Sport, but it's part of the sport, how can I say, of the Kaweco collection series. And this one is the Kaweco Classic Sport because it has gold trim, and this is the Industry Green, which was a China exclusive edition. And now let me show you the three colors for you to check how they look like. And so that I finally have all of them, I can say something that I saw already in some other posts, but I couldn't state it by myself, is that let me put it like this, the Kaweco Classic Sport Industry Green is exactly the same color as the Sage Sport for Milligram, but this one was a Classic Sport, this one is a Skyline Sport, so gold trim, silver trim, and this one says Milligram, this one says only Kaweco Sport, this one says Milligram in one facet, and the opposite facet it says Kaweco Sport also. This is the Smooth Sage, which is really a different shade of green, and it says it is silver chrome colored, and it says Kaweco Collection instead of Kaweco Sport, no other engraving, and the color is different. It's lighter and I would say it is a little cooler. These kind of colors are very hard to show on camera. I cannot say if they are accurate or not. That's why I like to show these pens as comparisons, so you can compare. If you know how this one looks, you can understand how different the other one is. I'm not sure how accurately this will show up on your screen. So I wanted to show this. This was an important piece that I was missing in my Kaweco, my kind of comprehensive Kaweco Sport collection. There are still a few ones missing. It's impressive how you go on and finding older editions, and sometimes you discover that, okay, there is another one that I thought I didn't miss, but I actually don't have yet. So we are always looking for some more stuff that we are missing. So this is all for today. I hope you enjoyed another unboxing. I know it is another unboxing, another Kaweco unboxing video, but this is really important for my collection. So I hope you enjoyed it. See you next time. Bye.